restorative posture is called Supta, Badha, Konasana. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. The first one is without a lot of props, and the second one is if you have a yoga strap, which will give you a little bit bigger opening. So go ahead and find a bolster. I actually took this off of the couch. You'll need to find one that's an appropriate length so that it fits at the bottom of your spine and also supports you all the way up to your head, which means you're probably going to have to turn it long ways so that it's facing the longest part of it is towards you. Go ahead and sit down and take your feet together and your knees apart, and then splay your legs open and your feet like a book so that the soles of your feet are looking up towards the sky. Once those are ready to go, you can hold on to your ankles and kind of scoot your seat back a little bit until you find your bolster, and keep shimmying your sitting bones or your tailbone so that it starts to come onto the bolster, but not quite. You don't want to be completely on it, just a little bit. Then you're going to go ahead and start to lie back on the bolster, and we don't want our head falling off like that and making us feel like we're unsupported or that we're putting any tension or torque on our neck. So if that's the case, you're going to come forward a little bit more and rest your head on the bolster, or if you have a blanket, you can take the blanket and put it underneath your head. And this is a wonderful posture for just completely opening up. Again, we're bringing blood flow into the pelvic region, into the groin. We're just allowing all of that musculature to open and to relax. You could take your hands, place them on your chest and on your stomach, and do some deep breathing exercises. Just make sure that when you're doing this, that your head's not torquing one way or the other, that you're really just looking straight up towards the ceiling. You could put some soft candles on and wonderful soft music. And even if you want to, take your arms out to the side with the palms up, which will allow the shoulders to open as well. So this is a wonderful fertility-friendly restorative posture, Supta, Badha, Konasana. And the other thing that you can do, if you have a strap, is you can make a loop with your yoga strap. Place it around you so that the strap is behind you and around your hips. And go ahead and come into the same posture with your feet. You're going to take the strap and put it on the bottoms of your feet. And you're going to find that you have a tail. And with this tail from your strap, you can pull this and create tension as much as your body will allow. So now I can go back on my bolster, and if I feel like I have more room to work with, I can pull on this tail, and this actual strap is helping support me at my hips, and I'm pulling on this to give me even more ability to open up in the pelvic region. And again, looking straight ahead and opening up as much as you feel comfortable. This is called supported or bound Supta, Badha, Konasana.